Excellency, yes sir, SYMFONI Wike, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Grand Service Star of River State, Life Bench.
Ibirio, ibiri gambiri, ibirio, ibiri gambiri, oyazolo wazo, owagaba tonyo bola, ibirio, ibiri gambiri.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of our state, let me rest on already established protocol. Today, the 21st of February 2023, we are here again in Ahuda East to flag off the dualization of the second phase of Ahuda to Omwok. As the Commissioner for Works said, this project traverses two local governments. Promise fulfilled. When I came to commission the first phase, I told the people of Ahuda that we are going to, in our administration, during our time, flag off the second phase. And we are also not just going to flag it off, it will be awarded to Julius Berger. Today, we are here to fulfill that promise we have made. You can imagine if you are driving from the junction of Ahuda and then down to Omok, when this road is completed in 18 months with the street light, then what are we talking about development? Yesterday, we were in Emohwa, where we flagged off the dualization of Emohwa government, Asari local government, and Akukotoro local government. It's important for us to know I'm leaving office in the next 2-3 months. Therefore, the man who is coming to take over from me will have to complete the project. Money is not a problem for this project. We have had an arrangement with Julius Berger where every month from our internally generated revenue, we are giving them 4 billion naira. So this project and the one we flagged off yesterday, the total amount we are spending is 70 billion naira. I believe our people deserve the best, and that is why we have to bring the best company known in this country as far as road construction is concerned. The one they have done from Ahuda down here, you can see how beautiful it is. Is it not true? Is it not true? So, as we have said, and as your traditional rulers have said, you have to play your own game to make sure those who have told you to vote for, you vote for them. Is it not? Is it not? Saturday is almost tomorrow. I'm sure you must have brought out your PVCs and kept very well so that nobody will say my PVC is missing. Go now and put it under your pillow 6:30 in the morning, you're in your various polling unit, and use your PVC and pepper them. Are you going to pepper them? Are you going to pepper them? So, I thank you. And let me so appeal to our youth. It will not pay us any good if we begin to disturb the project. This is not oil company. They are not drilling oil where you say, look, come and give us money. This is road. Like the two chairmen have said, will enable our people to bring all their products from the hinterland to the city. In fact, when this road is completed, from Omok to Port Harcourt can take you more than 1 hour. You can imagine some people can go to work in Port Harcourt from Omok direct, and that is what we require. So I want all of you to support the company. I plead with the chairman of the two local governments, make sure the company is giving enough cooperation so that they can complete it even before the 18 months. And they're doing these two roads the same time. Equipment. So it is not where when they work here today, they move tomorrow to work there. No. As they're working here, they're working there. You can imagine how many people will be employed for these 18 months. You can imagine how many people will supply sand. You can imagine how many people will supply chippies. These are some of what I think will benefit our people. And so traditional rulers also, you have a role to play, because if this is not done, it will also affect you. I told you in the next few years, Ahoda and Omok will be a city that people will say, let us go and live there. Already, you have a campus of university, faculty of humanities. So you can imagine what will happen. And that is why we are bringing a successor that will continue where we have stopped. So nobody should look at those bogey people. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? So support us so that we can complete this project.
Ibiri